Best deals.
1. Almond Cutter. Crafted with premium materials including steel blades and food-grade BPA-free components, this kitchen gadget ensures durability and safety. Enjoy expert slicing without any risk. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tea Filter. Enjoy hassle-free brewing on the go with the convenient drawstring design. This feature ensures a secure closure, preventing tea leaves from spilling. Ideal for travel, work, or home, these bags offer a mess-free, seamless tea drinking experience in any setting. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Potato Masher. Ergonomically designed with a premium soft grip handle that reduces strain on the wrist, making it ideal for quick, stress-free mashing of potatoes and vegetables. Perfect for potatoes, pumpkin, dal, pav bhaji, fruits, or even guacamole, this premium masher doubles as a bowl scraper, saving time and effort in the kitchen, crafted from high-quality nylon and stainless steel. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Soap Dispenser. Product contains a 2-piece drip tray, dispenser pump, transparent large capacity caddy and 1% free sponge and 1 PC scrubber. Simple but elegant design will match your kitchen decoration naturally. Soap dispenser with sponge holder is not only your household assistant, but also a great gift for your friends. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Funnels. Made of premium quality silicone, our kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Suitable for various containers, mason jars. They will meet all filling needs for your family, makes your kitchen and work areas will remain clean and tidy. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Flour Sifter. Has a capacity of 4 cups, the flour does not overflow out of the cup, and the double-layer rotating mesh is used to fully disperse the flour, and the filter is more gentle. Comfortable to hold, simple to operate, just press the handle to filter the flour. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pot Drainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Rice drainer stand that neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Rice strainer stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodles. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizer Tray. 360 degrees smooth rotation, effortlessly access all your items with a smooth turning mechanism, ideal for kitchen spices, condiments, and cosmetics. Transparent acrylic material blends seamlessly with any decor while keeping items visible and organized. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, pantries, refrigerators, or vanity counters. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Bottle Brush. 3-in-1 multifunctional cup brush. You can say goodbye to the hassle of switching between different brushes for various cleaning tasks. This versatile brush combines 3 essential cleaning functions into one, making it perfect for cleaning cups, bottles, and glasses. The sponge and bristle combination provides effective scrubbing and thorough cleaning, leaving no residue behind. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Ice Cube Mold. Simply press the soft silicone base to release perfectly shaped vertical ice cubes without ever touching them. The included lid and ice bin keep your ice cubes clean and organized while preventing freezer odors and spills. Vertical layout fits easily in most freezer compartments, saving space while maximizing efficiency. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Knife Set. High carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep your slicing time, and again, durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lemon Squeezer. Delivers long-lasting performance and rust resistance for daily citrus juicing. Ergonomic hand press design reduces hand fatigue while giving maximum juice output with minimal effort. Perfect for lemons, limes, oranges, pomegranates and more. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Soap Holder. The faucet drain rack is easy to install on the kitchen sink or bathroom faucet without drilling or opening holes, which is convenient for storage. rust resistant, durable, scratch resistant, deformation resistant, and heavy duty, ensure this kitchen sink organizer can last for years. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Vinegar sprayer. The transparent oil bottle body helps you to check when to refill the oil bottle. High quality material makes this olive oil spray bottle durable and long-lasting, able to withstand regular use. With a simple pressing, oil atomizes to mist. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Grape cutter. Crafted with smooth, rounded edges and a secure, non-slip handle, this tool is designed with child safety in mind, ideal for teaching kids basic kitchen skills under supervision. Lightweight and space-saving, the small tool fits easily into drawers, lunch boxes, or picnic baskets, perfect for on-the-go use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Scraper. Are sharp enough to easily scrape off the fleshy inside whites of a coconut. Just get a firm grip of it and rotate it with a gentle force to get the function going. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Noodle maker. Compact charging while handheld multifunctional noodle hind, which can produce small round noodles, large round noodles and flat noodles. You can make handmade noodles without additives at home, PR and cook noodles at any time, convenient. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Toothpick dispenser. A quirky, cartoon-inspired toothpick holder shaped like a friendly character with bulging eyes and a cheerful expression. Simply push the top to release a single toothpick from the dispenser, providing convenient access. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Fruit cutter. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a non-porous, stain-resistant surface that won't absorb food odors, ensuring a hygienic cutting experience, features a built-in stainless steel blade cutter for efficient slicing of vegetables and fruits, securely attached for safe operation. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Butter grater. Versatile tool with small holes for curling tiny butter strands, a bigger hole for scooping larger strands, and a serrated edge for slicing bread or butter and spreading jam. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Bamboo whisk. Meticulously handmade by skilled artisans using natural bamboo, from splitting and thinning the tines to shaping the handle. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Paper liners. Can effectively keep food residue away from fryer and make it as clean as unused, saving time and effort. These paper liners are must-have if you hate cleaning after baking, can be applied for baking, roasting, frying, or serving food. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Snacks maker. Comes with 12 differently shaped jalis for making different snacks, from chikli, murukka, sev, to gathia, bhujia, pasta and papadi. These plates enable you to make these namkeen quickly and with ease. The snack maker is ergonomically designed and super easy to use. Just press the dough in the container, set the relevant jali and press lightly straight into the kadhai to make crispy and tasty snacks. The snack maker with its contents is extremely safe as it incorporates all measures to prevent any kind of accidents. Product link is given in the 23rd link.